Okay, so here's the video link for this slide. I want you to try it on your own before we walk through it, because it's important that you try these and then you just use this video to verify what you have already done to help you understand that you did or didn't get it right. Okay, so number 1 is a plus 5a. When there's just one a here, there's an invisible a right there. Or invisible a, I'm sorry, there's an invisible 1 right there. So it would be 1a plus 5a. That gives us 1 plus 5 is 6. And then I just bring down that a. Over here I have 2b plus 10 minus b. So I am going to go ahead and put a shape around what I want to combine. So I have my 2b here. Let me see if I can make this a little bit thicker so you can see it. 2b, and then I have this negative b. Now remember, when there's not a number in front of it, we can assume there's a 1, so it would be negative 1b. So 2b minus b, or minus 1b, just gives us 1b. Now I don't have to do 1b, I can just leave it as b. And then I just bring down my 10. Now when you use a space bar, it automatically turns it into a capital. You can leave it capital or you can change it back to a lowercase. As long as you have the b there, that's fine. All right, so now we're going to move down here, and I'm just going to copy and paste this. I have 2x plus 4x. So I have these different terms, and I'm actually circling the different terms so you can see them. Whoops, not 4x, that's a 4y, sorry. So you can see the different terms. Remember, a term are these different areas right here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 term expression. So 2x is one term, plus 4y is another term, negative x is another term, and negative y is the last term. So 2x, I'm going to combine that with a negative x. That gives me x, because 2 minus 1 equals 1. So I just put x. And then I have 4y minus 1y. So I have plus 3y. Again, when you use the space bar, it capitalizes it. You can leave it capitalized or not. So this is the simplified expression there. This one, I have 3m plus 4n. There is no, or nothing to combine because there's no like terms. So I'm just going to rewrite it down here. 3m plus 4n. And that is the simplified expressions for this slide.